Guardlife, the best in the city. NFL draft, baby. Yo, check it out, man. We're at the Dead Poet, man. And we waiting on Ace to pull up. My brother's supposed to be with him tonight, man. It's gonna be a little lit. You got NLE Chopper in the city.
Posted in front of the tribe.
What do you think about this shit, man?
So man, it's up, and it's fucking stupid.
Yeah. There they go. There they go. There they go. What up, big dog? What's up? Oh, you didn't want to work with us today, huh? NLE Chop on the other side of the building, man, sitting out there with his people, right there on the corner. Nah, he ain't never come inside the building, I don't think. What up, Neff?
What's up, man?
I ain't as gangster as I used to be, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm on this Guardlife shit.
Yeah.
I don't really rap no more, man. I let the little young niggas rap, and I just make sure they don't get fucked up in the game, man. Guardlife. Talking to people too, okay?
You got Nard Fit.
Yo, bro, you recorded me?
Hell yeah, bro.
Bro, don't record me, bro.
What you mean?
Nard Fit in this bitch.
Hey, Nard Fit in this bitch. But I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Bro, we locked.
follow me on YouTube.
Yeah,
With the most turned up security in the city, you heard?
Y'all
That nigga talk about
Yeah.
who? Oh, that's fucked up, dog. Real quick, long story short, so I was supposed to be going to work at Dead Poet tonight for a client named NLE Chopper. However, that didn't go through, so I just ended up going in with my boy Ace because my brother, who's also an affiliate of Guardlife and a bodyguard, he was already gonna be there. So I just said, hey, I'll hang back for a few minutes and wait for these cats to get here. We went in, we worked, we did our thing. And if you've been to Baton Rouge or you from Baton Rouge, you know that they got a few clubs in Baton Rouge. There's only a few nice ones, man. This is one of them, Dead Poet. Also, y'all know about the one and only BOIL&ROUX, man. Check this out, man. This Cinco de Mayo video coming up is gonna be lit, man. They transformed the whole scene, yo. But I'm gonna tell you like this shit, man. I appreciate y'all for riding with your boy, man. Checking out the nightlife. This is an official Guardlife video right here, baby. Let's get to it. Let's go. Oh, shit. Wow. We halfway through the gig, man. This is Sunday right here, right before Cinco de Mayo, and I'm gonna have that video coming out real quick. But BOIL&ROUX, man, is a little quick history. His name is his name because it's a restaurant first, and then it became a little party spot where people could come hang out and vibe out, get your little hookah and the whole thing. What's the alumni? What school? Scotlandville. That's what this is? I didn't even know, yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna rep my 1-5.
Shout out to y'all. Crunk time, nigga. Yeah. What up, baby? What's up, man?
I'm all right.
Yeah.
I'm all right.
Hey, bro, give me a plug, bro.
Here's the plug. And we proceed to give you what you need. It's your boy, Nick, what's coming to do. Free yourself.
Fuck, you should have recorded that. All right, y'all do that over. Fuck, man. Oh!
I need everybody to comment to Guardlife. Check in. Big business over here. If you don't, you whack as fuck.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Guardlife.
Hey, tag me in that shit, man. That's all I'm gonna say.
I am Cachet, and why you so close to my face?
It's not really close though.
Okay. I'm Cachet. You can follow me on Instagram at __CAACHE.
I got you, bro. Come back with it. Come back later. That nigga's still.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
What's your dog face?
What's your name?
Guardlife, baby.
Guardlife. Man, like, subscribe, and comment under my dog page. You might have to bleep this.
Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that. Then we gon' hit that gas. Make it you turn
Subscribe to the Guardlife.
Yeah! Alright, it's fair to say at this point, I'm pretty much begging, man. Go down there and hit that thumbs up button. Tell somebody about the channel. And hit that subscribe, baby. I'm out. Love y'all, man. See you in the next video.
Like Paul Pierce, all lie when they know the truth. I'll cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they tell me.
What's wrong with you, boy? You want to be tickled? Hey, what's up, you little piggy? You little piggy.